Today I'm just gonna be vlogging what a day at sea looks like.
Oh, it's my first tuna!
Oh, I see it!
We're like 15 feet in the air.
Oh. Good morning, you guys. It is currently 4:22 in the AM. This is our second day of crossing. We left yesterday at 10:30 AM and this is my second watch. The sea state is pretty good, honestly. It's been, knock on wood, pretty calm so far. My next watch, 3 o'clock this afternoon. So I'm using this red light here because I'll try to show you. This is what it looks like in the pilot house. Oh, so I just saw a light pop up on the horizon. So that light I just saw pop up is right there. Okay, I'm gonna keep watching. I'll catch in with you guys in a little bit, maybe when the sun comes up. If you can see this, that would be great. It is a full moon today and it is gorgeous. Look at that. The sun's just about to come up, so it is that twilight hour. It is just absolutely gorgeous outside. I'll give you a look. Joshua just woke up. Almost time for his watch, and good morning.
Putting out the rods in the morning here.
Let's get some fish. Dude, did you see a lot of cruise ships last night?
Yeah.
Show me, what are we working with, Joshua?
Yeah, so we're just basically kind of coming up on the, so we're just kind of cut right across here. And potentially could be some fish held up here on these shelves. So we have quite a bit of elevation change at the bottom.
Hell yeah. I got a radio. I'll holler if I hear some screaming. We're going about 10 knots right now. We have 3 poles out, but there is a reef right here, like what Josh showed you in the pilot house. If the fish are going to bite, they're going to bite here. We're gonna stay positive. It's a beautiful day. It's 10 o'clock and we're making bread. Because my watch today is from 3 to 6, 6 o'clock is typically dinner time. I want to get as much dinner prep done now in the morning so nobody has to worry about it when I'm on watch. Simply assemble when people are ready to eat and we go from there. I'm sorry I didn't show you this, but this is a pulled pork. It's a vindaloo pulled pork, so it smells like kind of a sweeter curry, I'd say. But it's got a little kick. A little spice is nice. Bread rolls, let's go.
And you can very well get really exciting. I just switched out all these plastics for barracuda. So like a bait with hooks in it. It smells. It's gonna attract them. We're gonna go over this shelf, and then it's the last shelf before we like head into open.
I was just taking a nap, and then I felt the engines pull back. Thought a fish was on, but I think he's just slowing down to fish.
See these flashes?
Yeah.
That's it. Tell him to go.
Hey, we got a fish on starboard side pole. Oh, I see it flashing.
I hope it's just not seaweed, like a lot of seaweed or something. Oh, it's a mackerel.
We got a mackerel! Yeah!
Oh no, small barracuda. Hey, need to go get another barracuda.
I said, don't throw it over yet.
You already threw it?
Yeah. Bionic ballyhoo.
I have to let this bake in the sun for a second.
That was a lot of excitement to wake up from a nap. Now I gotta form the dough balls and take the lid off this pork.
I've never seen a fish jump that high. He went like 15 feet in the air.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's still on. He's still on. He's still on. Oh, get on this one, man. Yeah. Here, I've never seen a fish jump that high out of the water. It could be, it looks like the shape of a barracuda, but a big one. Like that.
Well, we're about as close as we get. We're 25 feet of water. You can see the bottom.
Oh, nice. Oh, we got a double hookup. Double.
Oh, there it is.
See it?
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so shiny.
Yeah. What's that?
Here, I'll get this.
Drop it in.
How does it feel to get your first barracuda? What do we do?
You gotta get a picture of this guy.
Oh my god. Woo! Damn, dude.
Oh my.
How heavy is it?
Pretty heavy. That's huge.
Woo!
Yeah, that guy's really good. Yeah. Release him.
I really hope we catch something other than barracuda. It's still really fun. Oh, here I go trying to measure while underway, and it is getting all sorts of measurements. Cool.
Yeah, it looks like a barracuda.
I see the shiny coat, the telltale. Oh wow, it is beautiful. Wow, you see it jump? A big one. Where you going, buddy?
Big boy.
Oh god. It is almost 2 o'clock. My watch is at 3 to 6, so I prepped dinner early. This is what I made. We have our pulled pork yet to be pulled, an Asian slaw. This is the topping for the slaw, and then we have the buns. So we can make sandwiches if we want, but right now my task is dishes. Few, then fold some laundry. Let's go. And the boys are still fishing back there. We've caught 4.5 barracuda today. That's a barracuda if I've ever seen one. Okay. It's a strong son of a gun. Oh, it tucked and rolled, dude. We got a meat fish! Oh, it's beautiful. Uh-oh.
I'm coming up, I'm coming up.
Okay. Nice!
That's my first tuna!
Woo!
That's my first tuna of my life! Oh!
What a beaut!
Oh, a little bonito.
Little bonito.
All right. Yeah.
Okay, so it's catcher's choice how it's prepared.
Okay.
You want to think about it?
Yeah.
You want to eat it for dinner tonight?
Yeah.
Restock the frescas because the boys like them, and so do I. other things I did today that I didn't film was, one, cut my finger. I haven't cut a finger since my ship's cook certificate about 2 years ago, and I had gotten new knives right before, so they were ultra sharp, and I cut my finger or my hands 4 times during my class and I still passed, so I haven't cut yet. We got 2 fish on.
I'm making my last cut. They both went loose. It's not acting like a barracuda.
Okay. Nice. Maybe biting. What's our fish count?
Like 9 barracudas. One
Nice.
daisy, one baby tuna, one baby tuna.
One baby tuna. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. You guys, we made it. It is the end of the day. It is the last watch of the day. It's midnight and I'm on watch until 2 a.m. I got a good sleep in from about 7 p.m. to 11:45 p.m. Much needed. And yeah, there's not a lot of traffic tonight. I haven't seen a single boat. It's been a couple minutes. It's been 10 minutes and I haven't seen any boats around. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. A portion of this channel's ad revenue is donated to charity. One of y'all said that the American Cancer Society is not the way to go, so if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Leave your thoughts and comments down below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.